The National Alliance on Mental Illness says more than 500,000 adults here in Utah have a mental health condition. ABC4's Courtney Johns live in South Salt Lake tonight with more on a new facility that will help people when they need it the most. Courtney.
Yeah, that's right, Glenn. I'm standing over by 3300 South and 900 West. Right here is where a new mental health crisis center is going to be built. And officials say there's nothing like it in the world, and it will fill a major gap in helping people who are in crisis.
Going to a busy, intense, medically complicated circumstance like that, with all the noise and everything else, is not the right type of location to get help.
Dr. Mark Hyman Rappaport says hospitals can be one of the worst places for someone who is dealing with a mental health crisis. But that's often where they end up.
The majority of general hospital emergency rooms aren't set up for people with psychiatric crises.
That's why the Huntsman Mental Health Institute is building a new crisis center. The Kem and Carolyn Gardner Mental Health Crisis Care Center will integrate community services, training, and research with crisis care.
No one's ever done anything like this.
Dr. Rappaport says they will have an entire floor dedicated to support services.
We also have a legal clinic, a medical clinic, a dental clinic. We have individuals that will help disenfranchised people sign up for Medicaid.
He says this is all about breaking the cycle of despair, which will help the patients as well as the hospital system.
The emergency department should be able to see many more people who have non-brain and non-psychiatric types of emergencies.
This new facility will also be just a few blocks away from a homeless resource center and is set to open sometime in 2024. Reporting live in South Salt Lake, Courtney Johns, ABC4 News.